Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we're going to see how you can customize the time for Windows Update. Sometimes when we are working with our PC, our computer gets restarted because of the pending updates. But after watching this video, this won't happen. You can set a specific time, and within that specific time your device won't take a restart. So if you want to learn more about this, please watch this video till the end. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. To do these settings, open your settings window.
Settings window, search box, find the...
Now press down arrow until you hear Windows Updates.
Set Bluetooth network, personal apps, account, time and gaming, accessibility, privacy, Windows Update not selected, 12 of 12, level
Press
1.
enter.
Windows Update selected, here update.
Now I am pressing tab.
Windows Update button 1 of 1, check for updates button.
So here you can check whether there are pending updates or not.
More options, grouping, be among the first to get the latest update, pause updates, update history, grouping, more button, advanced options, grouping, delivery optimization, optional updates, active hours, other update settings, more button.
So click here,
advanced options, receive
advanced
updates
options
for other Microsoft products.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Get me up to date toggle button not pressed, restart as soon as possible, even during active hours, download updates over metered connections, toggle button not pressed, data charges may apply.
Download update over metered connections. So whichever connections you are connected, like Wi-Fi or mobile data, it will not take care about that. It will update.
Notify me when a restart is required to finish updating, toggle button not pressed, show notification when your device requires a restart to finish updating. So you should check this box, check like button, this button should be pressed. Other than that, what happened, your device will automatically take the restart. Okay. Active hours grouping, we won't restart your device during these hours, show all settings button collapsed. Okay, so active hours, this is the settings which we want to do. Now just press enter here to expand the settings. Expanded. Now I'm pressing tab again. Adjust active hours combo box manually collapsed. Adjust active hours. So here it is set manually, but by default it is set automatic. See, I'm pressing down arrow. Automatically. But you should choose manually. Then based on your daily activity, we recommend using the following active hours grouping from 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. link. 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. it is selected by default. Active hours start time grouping. Active hours start time 8:00 a.m. time picker button. Okay, so you can give a start time and active hours end time grouping. You can give hours end time 5:00 p.m. So I'm just choosing. I'm just pressing enter here. Hour 8, so 8, 9. 7, 8 of 12. 8, 9, 10 so of 12. I'm choosing 9. Minute list 00. Hour list 9. Okay, not 9. I'm choosing 10, 11 10. Of 12. Because I'm starting working almost 10. Minute list 00. 00 is okay. Accept button. Click on accept. Just press tab. You will find all these things. Active hours grouping. So starting is active hours start time 10:08. Okay, I'm pressing tab. Active hours end time grouping. Active hours end time 5:00 p.m. time enter here. Button pop up window hour. No, not 5. I just choose 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of 12. Okay, 9. Then I'm pressing tab. Minute list 00. Period list PM. Okay, PM. Accept button. Just click on accept button. Active hours grouping, we won't restart. So now my active hours is active hours. Additional option 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. For me, it's perfect. As per your requirement, you can set it, and both laptop and desktop, for both cases it's applicable. So what happened, within this active hours, your device won't be restarted for the updates. Even if there is any update, if there is any update, so you will get the alert also, notifications also. So that's why we have turned on the notifications. Alright, so this is delivery optimization, optional updates, optional updates, quality and driver updates, more button. So this is driver related updates. We'll discuss it later. Delivery optimization, grouping, bandwidth limits for updates. So some bandwidth limits you can do if your
network is limited or poor.
Recovery grouping reset. Advanced restart apps grouping automatically save my restartable apps when I sign out and restart. Configured update policies grouping. Get help grouping. Back button. Rattle basak.
So these are some important settings which I have to told you in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like this video and share this video with your loved ones. And please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask into the comment section. That's it guys for the day. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.